everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Niesman Team Tours with me, Jerryniesman of the Niesman Team at Keller Williams Realty. Be sure to click subscribe to stay on top of all things Southwest Florida. And if you're interested in buying, selling, or investing in real estate, feel free to reach out to me. My contact info is in the description below. And don't forget to ring that bell if you want to be notified when the next video drops. Today we're here taking a look at another one of Beattie Development's custom homes. This one is still under construction, hence the dumpster there in front in the driveway. It's close to being finished, so you should be able to get a really good feel for it, but excuse it please, there's a little bit of clutter and things like that still going on. This is the Samuel floor plan, which is a 3-bedroom plus a den with 3 full baths, 3-car garage, and over 2,300 square foot of living area. That's air-conditioned living space. For those that haven't seen our previous videos, Beattie Development is a custom home builder. So what you see is is one of their floor plans that they've designed. It can be customized however you want. There are a few custom options in this particular home, as it was built for somebody, for an investor, and is available for sale. But they did make some minor custom changes to it. Great plan. Like I said, over 2,300 square foot of living area with 3 full baths. One of those baths is makes that 3rd bedroom a junior suite. The bathroom is attached directly to the bedroom and also has a door out to the pool area, so it doubles as a pool bath. Beautiful home, huge covered lanai area, great layout. All of Beattie Homes' pricing includes a pool package. It also includes hurricane rated impact glass. All of those things come standard. This one is going to start you right around $500,000 on your lot, so that does not include the lot. You will have to buy the lot separately, as all of their homes are, and they do have other homes if you feel this one's a little bit too large for you, or if you want something larger. They've got plenty larger. They go all the way up to over 4,800 square feet on their floor plans. They have homes as small as just a little under 1,700 square foot, and they start right around 400 currently. If you're interested in this home or any others, if you want to build a custom home, or if you want something in a little bit lower price range, we've got builders that do that as well. Please hit me up, let me know. All my contact information is here on my channel. Enjoy the rest of the tour, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell if you want notifications when we post our future videos. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.